Hi and welcome to the market view for Tuesday the 12th of August 2014. Starting off with the 30-minute chart, we can see that yesterday we had a very narrow trading range which resulted in the only signal that we had ending with a small loss. So let me just mark this up so you can see what we've got here. The market filled at, let's just move this over slightly, at 1679. And then reversed over the next couple of hours to take out the market with a small 14 pip loss. As you can see from this, that the trading range was incredibly narrow. Let me just draw this in for you as well, so you can see from the low to the high yesterday was only 22 pips for the British pound, so very quiet. The market rallied back after, which is Murphy's Law, which is typical, and then we see the market trading back up towards the entry price before the close, and then on the overnight the market has moved lower. On the 60 minutes we didn't have any trades yesterday. Again, you can see the narrowness of the trading range, and we've not had a signal that's been filled for several days because of the way the market's trading in these sideways moves and then makes a sudden move. And again, just to bring you up to date, you can see on the overnight for the last 7 or 8 hours the market has just moved slowly to the downside, with only one price bar there showing any sort of selling, and then the rest just drifting lower down to yesterday's past yesterday's low and down to the support 2 there and the pivots. In the daily chart, the market heading down towards the second 76% retracement that we drew in during yesterday, so we can remove this one now. The market's we found the support there and has traded through, so I'm just going to delete this one. So the next downside target 167.43, 167.50, what we spoke about yesterday, in this area here where the market then took off and moved to the upside. Let's see if the market can find some support here, but at the moment, as we see in the 60-minute chart, we see the market just trading and grinding to the downside there, just in a slow sort of same range for each hour actually, but just moving lower. So if the 167.50 is taken out, then we can expect the market to trade down towards the recent lows over here, where we'll be looking at 167 in this area here. So that's where the next downside target would be if the pound continues to move lower. In the news for today, we've just got one high impact news item. This is out at 10 a.m. this morning. It's the German ZEW economic sentiment. And that's really it for the news as well. 3 p.m. we've got the JOLTS job openings, but that's again only a medium impact news item, so probably another slow day, unfortunately. Not a lot we can do about that. And moving along to the Dow, also very quiet yesterday. You can see we had a very narrow trading range, also around 70 pips or points, whichever you prefer, for yesterday. Notice also that the market failed to close above the high of 16,584.75 that we drew in yesterday. So let's just remove this one and the 76% retracement. So a bit of weakness around the market coming off the highs. In fact, struggling to move higher after the first buy signal we had yesterday afternoon, and then the market coming off and then trying to rally back towards the end as well. It's been sideways on the overnight market at the moment. So again, maybe it's just indicative that we're going into the summer holes now, and we are going to see a bit of quietness in this market too. This is also reflected in the implied volatility, dropping from 12.67 yesterday to 12.06 is what's shown for today. And again, you can see in the chart there that we have this dropping back down towards the 12% area. We still need a sharp move to the downside to kick the implied volatility up to the 16% area to confirm a potential bottom in this market. So that's really it. It is short and brief to the point this morning. Just a 22 pip trading range yesterday for the pound. Very quiet on the Dow as well. So not a lot we can do about that. And across the board, it seems to be the case as well in many other markets as well, including the metals and also a lot of the commodities as well. So it's just, again, that time of year, unfortunately, where the markets can be a little bit quiet, as if they haven't been quiet enough, of course. Okay, that's it from me, all things being equal. See you in tomorrow's market view. As ever, thank you for your support during these quiet times. It's very much appreciated. It'd be worth hanging in there for the better times ahead, which no doubt are just around the corner. And as ever, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.